Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today we will learn and write 15 lines on summer vacation. Number 1. Summer vacation is the happiest time of the year for students. Number 2. It starts after the final exams are over. Number 3. The vacation usually lasts for about 2 months. Number 4. It is the best time to relax and enjoy. Number 5. I love summer vacation because there is no homework or school. Number 6. I visit my grandparents in the village during holidays. Number 7. I spend quality time with my cousins and play outdoor games. Number 8. We enjoy mangoes, ice creams, and cold drinks. Number 9. Sometimes we go on trips and picnics with family. Number 10. I learn new things like swimming and painting during this time. Number 11. I also helped my parents with small household chores. Number 12. Watching cartoons and reading storybooks is my favorite part. Number 13. Summer evenings are fun when we fly kites and ride bicycles. Number 14. These vacations make lovely memories every year. Number 15. I feel refreshed and ready when school reopens. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.